The easiest way to remove grout is using a rotary grout removal power tool. Before you get started, put on a pair of thick gloves and some protective eyewear. If you're planning on keeping your original tiles, line the edges of each tile with painter's tape. Then, set the tool to the lowest setting and cut a line through the center of the grout. Carefully guide the saw back and forth with the blade parallel to the length of the grout. As you get close to the edge of the tile, work slowly and carefully to carve the grout out in thin layers. You can also remove grout using a manual grout removal tool, but keep in mind that it will take longer. To use a manual grout removal tool, drag the blade through the center of each line of grout that you want to remove. Then, scrape along the sides of the tile to carve the grout away. If necessary, hold the grout scraper in place with your non-dominant hand and strike the back with a hammer to use it as a chisel. Continue scraping until you remove all of the grout. To get the grout out, use a broom and brush the dust to the nearest flat floor and sweep it up. Use a damp cloth to absorb any hard-to-remove dust. When you're done removing grout, peel away any painter's tape you used and vacuum up the remaining grout. Use a damp cloth or scraper to gently wear away any residue that's sticking to the tile. And you're done.